What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with penniesandthousands.com doing a video on BankRollBucks. It's been a little minute since I've done one, so I just want to give you guys a quick tutorial on it. Also, I'm going to do a cash out and just show you some different things you can do on this site in order to make money. So when it comes to this, it's really just the offers and the surveys I do here will allow you to see all the newest offers that they have. They have the top credit offers is the ones that people are completing the most, and those are the ones that people are having a great success with. So you'll see here the daily survey that people are doing, 55 bankroll bucks, and you get one daily jackpot entry. The thing about it is every bankroll buck is equivalent to 1 cent. So basically this is 55 cents you'll get for doing this. You can do it 10 times a day. And, they're not difficult surveys. I think some people, kind of get scared when it comes to doing a survey because they feel like, okay, I'm going to, be doing this extremely long survey, probably going to get disqualified. So they kind of stay away from it. But it's a top credit offer, which means a lot of people are having success with it. And you can actually see over here in the shout box that people are actually completing it right there. So it's something that people are really having success with. They're doing it. And most people are not getting disqualified. They're just actually, just going through with it. So that's one of the top credit offers. Going back up here, they have pay to click offers you can choose from. These are just clicking on ads. They pay like anywhere between 1 to 2 cents that you can make money with that, doing that every day. The Tap Research is one of my favorite survey providers, and on this site, they give you disqualification points because I think it's always good when a site will pay you for your time. At least if you get disqualified for a survey that you spent maybe 1 to 2 minutes on it, it's still going to give you something knowing you disqualified, because a lot of surveys don't do that. If you disqualify, you get nothing and you have to just try another one. But here, at least they're going to give you, anywhere between 2 to 3 cents for just your time, or really depending on how long the survey was or how far you got into it. So let's say the survey was, 10 minutes long and you was like 7 minutes into it, they're going to give you a good piece of that just because you were able to get through with most of it. So like I said, you're going to get something for your time in doing that. The offer walls, they have, some of the most popular offer walls. You see Opinions Gate, surveys, Tap Research there again. They have the ad click wall, the minute staff. These are when you're basically just clicking on ads. It's not difficult to do. Like I said, they don't pay a lot when you're clicking on ads, but it's just one of those things where if you just want, a few pennies here and there just to help you reach your cash out, you can kind of do that. I'm going to show you the ad gate media wall because this is something that I like to do as far as my offers. So you can just look at here. And this is basically, like I said, all the time, just signing up for things. Like sign up for this pinch me and verify your email. You get basically $1 for doing that, 100 bankroll bucks. Right here, ARP wards, sign up, verify your number, 202. They got surveys on here. Sign up with an email address, complete the 2-page registration, 140. I mean, this is simple stuff. This is not difficult to do. Sign up with valid information, proceed down the path, and complete an offer on the silver wall, 140. So you're just seeing a lot of these, like I said, are just signing up, complete valid information, 80 cent. Just that simple. It's basically just a username, maybe not even that, just an email. And they'll send you some in the email. They'll kind of send you some other stuff that you can check yes or no on. And once you're done with those 2 pages, they credit you. I mean, that's just how simple the offers are, really across the board. But on AdGate Media, I love it just because of the how easy it is. Okay. So going back, they have other ones, Ad Send. That's another one I like to do. So clicking on this one, it will show me, different offers that I can do here. But you'll see here, I like how they always, they put it in different categories with the offers. You have that feature, they had the free videos, surveys, shopping, free trials, sign up, mobile apps. All of these things you can really do. The feature, these are the ones that a lot of people are attempting. Just quick surveys here, just going down, scrolling. The free one right here. Click on this. Obviously, everyone that you do here is going to be free. And like I said, you just sign up for stuff, just an email address. They have free trials, sign up, things like that. And another thing I'll show you, like they have apps you can sign up for. But going back up top to the free trial section, some people might get scared of free trials and thinking like, okay, I don't want to pay for it eventually, but it's a free trial. So let's say if it's a 7-day trial, you can use it for a certain period of time. If you don't like it, you can simply cancel it. You can keep your bankroll bucks and you cannot be charged. It's just simple as that. It is trying to give you something to try. So don't be afraid to try out this section, just knowing that, okay, if it's something here, that I don't want, that I can always, just cancel it and not get charged with it. But you'll see here they do pay well. All these are just trials you can do from, and some of these things that I actually have signed up for and I actually still use because it's actually helpful to what I got going on. So just I encourage you to kind of look at the free trials there. Like I said, if it's something that you don't want to keep or you don't want to pay for, you can always cancel it. But again, they have the sign up. They got mobile apps. Just apps you can download and you'll get paid just to have it on your phone for a few minutes and use it for whatever amount of time, and then you get credited like that. So I mean, the offer section on here is really good. They do a really good job of crediting your surveys. It says here at the top, just always be mindful of this. Any offers 601 bankroll bucks or more will be locked for 60 days, but they do eventually pay you after that 60 days. I mean, it's not like they'll just, keep it locked and never pay you. But at the same time, I really don't do a lot of, offers that are over $6. I mean, they don't really have that many as is. So most of the offers you do, I would say 99% of them are under that threshold anyway. So I mean, if you do one that's really good, they'll let you know, okay, you did it, you completed it, we'll pay you in 60 days. But just be mindful of that if you're doing those really high paying offers. Okay. Now, when it comes to withdrawing on the site, I really like it because it's only $1 minimum. Okay. So first I'm going to go to the converter because I got to convert my points into cash. So let me do that real quick. And you'll see here, I have $1.68, but I also have a little bit over 46 bankroll bucks. I'm going to convert all of that into cash. So 46.65, convert to cash, and it's an instant transaction. Just like that. So now I got $2.15 in cash. So going back to the withdrawal section, I will withdraw. And here are the different options they have. They have PayPal, which is, one of the main ones people use. You can also get it, sent to your bank. They send it through Bank of America every Friday, but you have to have a minimum of $5. And they have the Wise ACH, that's a minimum of $5. But if you're going to do PayPal, it's only $1 minimum. So I have my PayPal account. I got to enter again in order to qualify. I mean, not qualify, but just to verify all that it's right. So let me do that. Finish typing that up. And then once that is done, I can just click on withdraw. And you'll see here your withdrawal has been added to the pending list. Now, don't let that scare you because on this site, I usually get paid the same day. If not the same day, the very next day. So it's not like it's a long pending list. It's not like they have to wait 2 months to pay you. They're going to pay you very, very quickly. So, just be patient with them. I would say, in the next 24 hours, you should be paid. So there you have it, a tutorial on BankRollBucks. You can do surveys on here. You can do offers. They also have this. I wanted to show you guys different promos they will run through the month. This month, they're doing, just different promos. Like if you do complete, 10 offers, we'll pay you an extra 50 cents. Just things like that. They also have the daily jackpot. You can see, people entering into it. And right now it's at 15 cents, but it continues to grow as more people get involved with it. And as more people continue to do different surveys and offers, the pot, it gets bigger. And then at the end of the month, they will choose a winner. They'll send the money straight to your account. So also you can look at the shout box and see what many people are doing. You see here, that was just me that just cashed out. And then right before that, somebody completed another offer. So there are people that are using this. People are making money with it. So you might as well be one of the ones that are getting involved with it. I'll leave the link to sign up in the description. It's completely free. Sign up, just add it to your routine as far as, making money with it. It's been around a very long time. A lot of different survey providers or, get paid to sites kind of implement what they're doing. And they all just, kind of take what they're doing and implement it into their own site. So like I said, you can sign up for it. Link is in the description. It is completely free. All you need is $1 in order to cash out. That's really good. So get started with it today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.